Hey there, and welcome back. If you've been with us since the beginning, you've already mastered the fundamentals, creating sketches, building simple shapes with extrude, and even tackling complex geometry with revolve and sweep. But let me ask you, are you still spending hours manually creating every single feature on your models? Are you struggling to get perfect alignment? If so, you've been modeling wrong. Today, we're going to introduce a set of tools that will completely transform your workflow. We're talking about working smarter, not harder. In this tutorial, we're going to unlock the secrets of mirror, planes, and project geometry, the three essential tools for building intelligent, symmetrical parts in a fraction of the time. Let's dive in. Today, we're going to master three fundamental tools that are essential for any professional CAD designer: the mirror tool, work planes, and project geometry. Before we jump into the software, let's quickly talk about why these tools are so important. They aren't just for making things look good. They are about efficiency, accuracy, and creating smart, interconnected designs. You'll save massive amounts of time by reusing existing geometry, ensuring perfect symmetry, and building models that automatically update when you make a change. First up, the mirror tool. This is your go-to command for creating a perfectly symmetrical copy of features in both 2D and 3D. It saves time and ensures your design is perfectly symmetrical. Mirroring in 2D sketches. The mirror tool is just as powerful in the 2D sketching environment. It lets you create symmetrical sketch geometry without having to redraw or redimension everything. While in a 2D sketch, select the lines, arcs, or circles you want to mirror. Next, select the mirror line. This line acts as the axis of symmetry for your sketch. Click the mirror button in the Sketch tab's pattern panel. The new mirror geometry will appear. The great thing is that it is associative. This means if you change a dimension on the original sketch, the mirror geometry will automatically update to match it. Mirroring in 3D, parts and features. Let's start by mirroring a feature within a single 3D part. For example, a simple hole. From the 3D Model tab, select the Mirror tool. Next, select the features you want to mirror. You can click them directly on the model or in the model browser tree. Now, for the most crucial part, selecting the mirror plane. This is a planar face or a work plane that acts as your center line. Finally, click Done or Apply. Notice how the new feature is a perfect mirror image. If you go back and edit the original hole's dimensions, the mirrored one updates automatically. Next, let's talk about work planes. A work plane is a two-dimensional surface you create to sketch on when there isn't a solid face available. Think of them as your flexible sketching surfaces. The most common method is offset from plane. You simply select an existing face and specify a distance. This is perfect for sketching in the middle of a part. You can also create a midplane between two planes. This is a great tool, especially for finding the perfect mirror plane for a part. Or you can create a plane through 3 points or at an angle to another face. Project Geometry. Finally, we have the incredibly powerful Project Geometry tool. Its purpose is simple, it lets you reuse existing 3D geometry from your model in your 2D sketch. Start a new 2D sketch on a face. Next, from the Sketch tab, click Project Geometry. Now, click on the edges, faces, or points from the 3D model that you want to reference. Notice how these features appear as yellow lines in your sketch. These aren't just copies, they are associative links. If the original 3D geometry changes, your projected lines will update, ensuring your model is always accurate. And that's a wrap on our 4th tutorial. You've just learned how to use the mirror tool to create flawless symmetry in both 2D and 3D, how to use work planes to create sketch surfaces anywhere you need them, and how Project Geometry helps you build associative relationships that save you from endless edits. With these skills, you're no longer just creating static models, you're building intelligent, dynamic parts that are easy to modify. In our next video, we'll take all of these skills and apply them to our next real-world project. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss it.